Hello and welcome back. So today I'm making a simple round coaster with the pretty border edges, and it's quick, relaxing project and perfect for the beginners. So let's get started. So start by making a magic ring and chain 2, and then we will make 10 double crochet in the magic ring. We are making double crochets here. So after you have made 10 double crochet, just tighten your yarn and we will do a slip stitch. So now for the second row, I'm going to increase in every stitch. That means 2 double crochet in one stitch, and at the end we will have 20 because we are increasing in every stitch. And again I'm going to do a slip stitch. So now for the third round, I'm going to make one double crochet and then increase. So I'm using this stitch marker here. You can use your any leftover yarn or any stitch marker if you have. So I'm using this leftover green yarn. So I'm making one double crochet in the first stitch and increase in the next one. So as you can see, one double crochet and then increase in the next one. So at the end we will have 30 double crochets, 30 stitches altogether. And then at the end of the row I'm going to do a slip stitch. This is our third round done. This is slip stitch. And this is how it looks. This is flat. So now for the next round, again I'm using my leftover yarn as a stitch marker. So I'm going to make one double crochet and then again one double crochet, and then in the third stitch I'm going to increase. So one double crochet and then increase, and this will give us 40 double crochets at the end. And if you want a flat crochet circle, you can keep repeating this pattern, and in the next round, if you want like more bigger circle, you can make 3 double crochet and then increase. So this is the end of the fourth row. I'm going to do a slip stitch here. And that's it. This is the perfect size that we want for our coaster. And now here I'm going to cut the yarn. You can use any other colors if you want. And now this is our flat, the base of the coaster. Now I'm going to add my any other color yarn. I'm going to add a contrasting one, green color here. So the last stitch, I'm going to add the green yarn here. So we will add our yarn and then we will make one single crochet. And then in the next one, I'm going to make one double crochet and then one triple crochet in the same stitch. And then in the third stitch, I'm going to make 1 triple crochet and 1 double crochet, and in the fourth stitch I'm just going to make 1 single crochet and a slip stitch. So we are working 1 petal in 4 stitches. So in the first stitch, again a slip stitch and 1 single crochet, and then 1 double and 1 triple in the next one, and then 1 triple and 1 double in the third one, and in the fourth one 1 single crochet and a slip stitch. So this is, I'm showing that we are working every petal in 4 stitches. So carry on following this pattern in every 4 stitch, and then you will get a nice corner for this round coaster. So at the end here, I have done a slip stitch and I'm going to cut my yarn. Now it looks beautiful as it is. You can keep it like this as well. But also if you want to make another round, we can make that as well. But this is a lot more easier and it's perfect for the beginners, and it looks beautiful as well. Exactly like this. But I'm going to do one more round. Same pattern we're going to follow. So we're going to follow the same pattern, but we are working in the stitches, like on the top part of the coaster. As you can see, I'm working just in the white yarn, the beige yarn. So this looks a bit tricky because I have started from the joint, and it will give us a neat look at the end. I'm following the same pattern. In every 4 stitches we are going to make 1 petal. As you can see, I'm working on the top part of the light color yarn here. And that's it. We're gonna follow the same process again. In every 4 stitch we're going to make 1 petal. So this is the end. At the end I'm going to do a slip stitch and I'm going to cut the yarn. And now I'm going to give it a clean look. I'm going to tidy up the leftover yarn. So this is how it looks at the end. You can use any other colors, even you can just leave it with 1 border. I have used here like 2 layers of this green border. And you can even use chunky yarn with a bit bigger crochet hook size. And try different colors, try different hook sizes, experiment with different patterns. You can also start by making just single crochet rather than double crochet here. So I really hope you like this video, and if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.